Hello, my friends. I was at Michael's the other day and I spotted a couple of colors in the ready mixed pouring paints that I had not seen before. Now, whether they're new or Michael's just wasn't carrying them before, I don't know, but one is this Magenta Deep and the other metallic copper. They're just beautiful. So I grabbed them and I thought I would try them today with a ring and ribbon pour. Now, I've done a lot of videos featuring these paints, over 35 videos. I've used them straight out of the bottle. I've diluted them with Floetrol. I've used them with glue and water just to make them stretch a little further. And so I'll link that playlist at the end of this video, and I encourage you to watch. I've done some of my favorite paintings with them, I must say. So I'm going to give that a go today with just these four colors. I'm going to use a turntable when I apply the paint, and so many of you have asked me to spin it. Why don't I spin since I have this turntable? So I've been opposed to that for some reason. I can't really explain why. It's got something to do with the fact that in the 80s, I actually owned a spin art machine where you made t-shirts and art, and I just felt, I was done with it. I'd put that behind me, but I thought I would try it once and see how it goes, because I have seen some beautiful results doing that. So I'll give it a try, but I'm not excited about it, to be quite honest. So I'm going to do at least 2 layers, probably 3 layers with these 4 colors in this order: Magenta Deep, Titanium White, Metallic Copper, and Black. I have not, obviously I'm using them straight from the bottle this time, not going to dilute them. They dry with a beautiful luster. Although on the ones that I dilute with Floetrol, I can't remember if I use Floetrol and glue or just Floetrol, it makes a nice surface for embellishing. So that's a plus in my mind. Okay, one more layer and we'll be ready to go. Okay. Now, get this thing in place, and I hope you can still see that. Now, the question is, though, when I go to spin it, is it going to, because I put thumbtacks in there, or push pins, is it going to stay on the spinner? I don't know. Can you still see that? I think it's all in there. Okay. Here we go. I like the looks of that in there right now. So I'm going to just do a straight pour and rotate the spinner as I pour. Make a spout. I'm about 2 inches from the surface, if anyone cares to know. Where's the copper? It really must have melded with that burgundy. Here it comes a little bit. Oh, I can see it there. It's quite pretty. Oh, yes, it's lovely. It must have sank, so maybe it'll really make an appearance in the center here. And I think I am going to do some ribbons, so stop for a moment. Oh gosh, that's pretty. Oh, okay, ribbons. I'm going to do some large ones and then possibly add some additional. Can you see how pretty that is? Add some additional skinny ones after I'm done spinning. Uh-oh. Okay. Now, I have rigged up a little wall thing, a foam core board, which I will place around it so I don't make a gigantic mess. Now let me check the camera, make sure you can still see. Oh, great, and you can. Okay. Against my will, I am about to spin. Can I reach? Yes. So, there we go. All right. Back the other way. I don't want to. Okay, I'll give it a little more muscle in it. And then I'm going to go to tilting the old-fashioned way. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That slid off the thing. That's it, folks. Whoa! I need some practice. Okay. All right, I'm moving my wall system. I'm moving my turntable. And, oh golly, that is pretty. Setting this, I'm going to tilt now to cover that edge there. I like to run the loopy ribbons to meet the edge. Oh my gosh, that copper! Oh, that is pretty. Well, the white just kind of melded in, which is fine. I'm loving the drama of this. That's an interesting shape ribbon there, but that one kind of gray section has to go. That's it. Oh, that's so funny. The copper I just thought was gone, and now it's really making a statement. Okay. Now what? I have a little bit left in my cup, but it's pretty much melded into one color, I think. I'll just run one ribbon and see what I get and decide if I want to continue. Well, I kind of like it. I kind of like even though the color is kind of melded together, I like the controlled look of that over the crazy fun one. So I like that crisscrossy thing. So I'm going to add a little more. One more. And I always think of where I'm going. I'm going to go here and maybe that's what I'll do. I'm going to go here because I don't want to disturb that beautiful center. Okay, but I do want to put some on this dark area here. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. I ran out. Oh, well, I'm going to stop. I had plenty in the cup. I don't know what happened there, but it kind of dribbled, and that's hard to fix, so I'm going to leave it alone. Oh my goodness, that copper. Go get some. That is beautiful. I don't like all the waste of paint, but maybe I can scrape that up and use it as a background. Let me bring you in for a closer peek. The color looks a little distorted through my phone. I hope will show up accurately on video. It looks more pink here, but in person it is a very rich, deep burgundy, and that copper, which looks kind of orangey, is rich, bright copper penny color. The center there, oh my gosh, that's pretty. Oh boy, that's a fun one. Okay, my friends, for me, the jury is out about the spinning thing. I'm just not convinced I want to do that some more, but maybe with a different technique, I might be willing to try it again. There she is. Okay, my friends. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.